Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make a paper bird. For this, you will need a square paper and a marker pen. To start, take the square paper and fold it in half. Then flip this paper like this. Then take these two pieces and fold it to there, right here. Now fold it like this. Now take one sheet of paper and fold it like this. So here it is. It is not complete now, but you have to fold it like this in half. So then you have to fold it like this. A little moving ahead. Then this one. Now turn it like this. It has got many features of a bird till now, but I have not made the nose now. To make the nose and beak, you have to fold it like this, turn it over and fold it like this. Then open this part and push this through. Now the beak is ready. Now take the marker pen and make its eyes. Make a circle and the eyeball here. Turn the bird over and again make a circle here. And again make the eyeball. So our paper bird is complete, and the next video I will make on the topic is, on the next video I will show you how to make this cute little puppy. Bye bye and have a nice day.